a glimpse at John Legend and Chrissy Teigen lifestyle. This power couple, composed of the Grammy-winning artist John Legend and the beloved model and television personality Chrissy Teigen, offers a captivating glimpse into a life that seamlessly blends artistic accomplishments with everyday authenticity. From soulful melodies to stunning experiences, their journey invites us to explore the world of their shared existence, a life that resonates with both star-studded glamour and endearing moments of connection. Hey there! Welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes, celebrities, and royalties, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits, and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let's begin by taking a look at the wonderful home that Chrissy Teigen and John Legend share. In 2020, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend reportedly spent $5.1 million on a property in West Hollywood. The couple has 2 children together and are currently raising them in the $14.1 million Beverly Hills mansion that originally belonged to pop sensation Rihanna. The legendary mansion is a staggering 8,520 square feet across 3 stories, with 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a patio, a swimming pool, and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and the sea. When Teigen and Legend bought the Beverly Hills property in 2016, they hired interior designer Don Stewart, who had worked in the past with Kanye West, to remodel the property into an upscale family home. Aside from their stunning home, they also own real estate in New York City. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen aren't just a West Coast couple. The pair also owns 2 extremely expensive penthouses in the Nolita neighborhood of Manhattan, one of which is estimated to be worth just over $9 million. According to Architectural Digest, the 2 penthouses share the exact same 19th century building, appropriately named the Brewster Carriage House for its previous life as a carriage factory. Reported by The Real Deal, the pair owns the entire 5th and 6th levels. One among their many extravagant possessions is a grand piano worthy of the finest concert hall. John Legend, the musician and songwriter, undoubtedly has a piano of his very own. As reported by Vanity Fair, Legend has an Emmy, a Grammy, an Oscar, and a Tony sitting on the shelf alongside his Yamaha grand piano at his Beverly Hills mansion. The piano is more than just an ornamental asset. Naturally, he is a talented pianist who spends his free time instructing his son Miles. In March of 2020, the singer-songwriter performed an intimate home concert for his wife. Date night for Chrissy Teigen and John Legend is always an extravagant occasion. On date night, many couples go out to eat and then watch a movie. However, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are not like other couples in their situation. According to a report from the Daily Mail, these 2 individuals went to forego the Valentine's Day tradition in favour of an extravagant vacation aboard a private jet in the year 2020. The night started in Beverly Hills and ended in Yountville, California, at the French Laundry, where both of them have had a meal loaded with caviar. According to Teigen's site, even when this couple does out on more traditional date night activities like food and a movie, they exclusively do iPick. She complimented the cinema company for its plush recliners equipped with blankets and pillows, as well as its extensive selection of beverages and foods. Everybody knows that when it comes to fashion, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend don't mess around. It's well known that Chrissy Teigen and John Legend together make for a stylish couple. When these 2 go out, it doesn't matter if they're attending events with red carpets or going out for formal meals. People can't help but stare at their expensive fashion statements. After wearing a dress, Teigen will then sell it on the resale website The Real Real. However, rather than keeping the profit for herself, she donates it to a good cause. Teigen is just one of several celebrities who, even throughout the day, wear jaw-droppingly pricey ensembles. Just one of the ensembles that Teigen was seen wearing was was about $5,000 in total, and it comprised a dress by Magda Buttram and a purse by Valentino. The success of this duo can also be attributed to their fashion sense. During the 2019 GQ Men of the Year Awards, John Legend was presented with the Hugo Boss Most Stylish Man Award. Both Chrissy Teigen and John Legend take pleasure in hosting extravagant parties. Both Teigen and Legend are known for hosting extravagant parties for one another. The supermodel threw her husband, Legend, a birthday party with a James Bond-inspired Casino Royale theme for his 40th birthday. Teigen looked stunning in a golden gown by Cristina Ottaviano, while the birthday boy looked dapper in an Armani suit. Naturally, the extravagant celebration featured casino games, and there was also an amazing photo shoot. Not only does the couple take pleasure in life's finer things, but of course their children do as well. Because of their celebrity parents, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend's children have experienced more of the world than many of us have in our entire lives. And now we're going to talk about the kind of travel that takes you from Disneyland to Italy. The family took a trip together to a country in southern Europe in 2019, during which they cruised through the Mediterranean Sea aboard a yacht that featured a hot tub and a chef who made tasty treats. During the same year, in order to mark Luna's becoming 3 years old, the family went to Disneyland. Their daughter, who went about the vacation dressed as several princesses, was carried around by her father. Even if these parents have the means to take their children on a once-in-a-lifetime trips, or even multiple times in a lifetime, they are still parents who are attempting to make their children's birthdays as memorable as possible for them. Do you want to hear something truly incredible? When they fly, this pair uses a special terminal at the airport that is exclusively accessible to members. After such a lengthy travel, it's likely that Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are suffering from severe jet lag, just as we are. However, the majority of their time spent at the airport is quite stress-free. Teigen shared on Twitter the news that she and her husband, along with a large number of other Hollywood celebrities, have the capacity to board their plane through a secret terminal that is restricted to members only, allowing them to avoid waiting in lengthy TSA lines. People believe that Teigen may have been making a reference to LAX's The Private Suite, a paparazzi-free terminal for business travel, despite the fact that she did not name a particular airport terminal in her tweet. Here, the yearly membership fee is greater than $4,000, and a one-way ticket adds approximately $3,000 more to the total expense. Although it is interesting to learn that Teigen and Legend also travel by commercial airlines on occasion, it is not surprising to learn that they sometimes fly privately. And last but not least, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend got married in a spectacular ceremony in Italy. Chrissy Teigen and John Legend decided to have their wedding in a far-off location, following in the footsteps of many other famous couples. The wedding took place in 2013 at the luxurious Villa d'Este, which is located on the shores of Lake Como in Italy. It is said that the couple fell in love while vacationing in this picturesque region of Italy, and they later made the decision to have their big day there. Photographer Aaron DeLacy photographed the day, and celebrity planner Lisa Vors gave a sense of Italy to the wedding. Naturally, they had only the finest of the very best working behind the scenes to ensure that the wedding went off without any problems. In addition, instead of wearing just one wedding dress, Teigen wore 3, all of which were designed by Vera Wang. After the ceremony, the couple said their goodbyes to their guests while riding in a classic Silver Cloud Rolls Royce that was adorned with a placard that said, "Married today," in Italian. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen paint a vibrant and multifaceted picture of a modern celebrity existence. Through their remarkable talents, genuine personalities, and a strong connection with their audience, they have curated a lifestyle that is both aspirational and relatable. They remind us that success is not solely measured by achievements, but by the meaningful connections we make and the lives we touch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities, athletes, and royalties you would like us to profile in future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.